Mirrors play a central role in optical stores. They support consultations, build trust, and help customers make decisions with confidence. Concept S offers a versatile mirror collection in a variety of materials and colors. Thoughtful in design, precise in function, and suited to every consultation situation. The classic models Pebble, Oval, Discus, Shape, Celto, and Flint impressed with an adjustable tilt and a clear design language. Made from steel or stainless steel, they are stable, timeless, and ideal for everyday use. Angle and Spirit expand the range as tabletop mirrors with a fixed position, minimal in design, calm in appearance, and reliable in daily use. The lightweight acrylic glass mirrors look in and flash, feel modern, are pleasantly light and highly flexible, perfect for changing consultation situations. Slope, a flexible table and hand mirror for dynamic consultation situations. Mirrors with 2x magnification, lens, take 2, clear, zoom, and bowl are true all-rounders. They can be used either as tabletop mirrors or hand mirrors. They are ideal for detailed viewing, fit checks, and in-depth consultation conversations. The mirrors Seesaw and Stative were developed specifically for contact lens fitting. With targeted magnification and high stability, they support precise work. Concept S mirrors strengthen consultations without drawing attention to themselves. Functional, high quality, and tailored to modern optical stores. Find out more at concept-s-design.com.